launch a new service, Active Fitness, and we'll share a bit about what the service is about. But before getting into the service details, one would wonder...
Thank you so much, Vallabhi. And a very good afternoon to all of you. And I guess talking about fitness is something that I'm extremely passionate about. I think my very own team and the team at Tata Sky at times are fed up with the amount I talk about fitness. But it means a lot to me because I think my life began with sport. And if there's anything I've achieved, I don't know how much I have, but 130 films and 26 years in the industry. If I have managed to stay afloat, it's only because of my passion for fitness. It was only fitness that got me into the movie business. Someone saw me train, the Indo-Tibetan border police, and I was doing a demo for the Maharashtra police where somebody saw me, in that demo and thought I was a good enough fighter and asked me to do a film. I began with one, but ended up finishing another, and people said he's wooden. The film was along the way, so I owe my life, as I would say, to fitness. Every time you meet someone, they're amazed, with the fitness that I carry, and probably it's also because of the age. I'm 54 today, and I believe I'm as fit as a 21-year-old. So I think that gives me, immense pleasure when somebody says this. I've always been wanting to impart this knowledge, my experience, and the beauty of Tata Sky and Brilliant Living is that it is a platform that helps us reach out to the millions that lack gyms or awareness on fitness. If I ask anybody a simple question as to what is the difference between starch or carbohydrates or complex carbs, or when you're injured, whether it's a hot pack that you need to use or a cold pack you need to use, nobody is aware. I think through this medium, and we're very grateful that Adarsh, me, Vikram, all of us, that Tata Sky gave us this opportunity and said, let's begin with training people in their very own homes. And honestly, when I get up in the morning, the days I'm into training, I open the windows and say, good morning, God. At times when I'm not training, it's been 4 weeks of no training, I probably open the window and say, oh God, it's morning. That's the difference. Small, but at the same time, big difference. So when others came to me saying, Sunil, I have this idea of doing something on fitness. There are a lot of the gym brands that came to me, say brand ambassador, become this, become that, and I always said no. If I want to do something, it's got to be large. And I think Tata Sky has given us the opportunity to make it larger than life. And when others came and said, Sunil, I have this concept and where we need to do something with fitness, we ended up here. It's the beginning of the journey. We need time. We're all attempting something like this. India will see its fitness, its celebrity fitness army and its fitness army for the first time. I say army only because there's a big difference between a civilian and a man in uniform, a woman in uniform. A single barrier, and you'll tell the difference when you're in civilian land and when you walk into an army cantonment. Discipline. So when others came and others said we should do this, I was more than willing. I don't think I'll stop, so I think before that, let me hand it over to Adarsh. And once again, thank you, Vallabhi. Thank you to the entire team here. We've troubled them a hell of a lot, but I think ended up with a brilliant product, and hopefully you'll love it.
Thanks, Sunil. For us, that big shot in the arm actually happened when Sunil said he's going to become a part of our journey. We had a little dream, and the dream was one which I personally... Health and wellness is one of the most talked about subjects today in the country, and there is nothing at a pinnacle level that's happening in the media space in this genre. So that's clearly where the... And then Tata Sky happened to us, and from a distribution of content perspective, there could not be a better partner at this stage in our life. We all really look at time to come through this channel that we adopted. Thank you.
We can share a little light on the product and how we're trying to structure it. Okay, so firstly, this service is going to be the passion that we also bring in, right? That we want everyone across the country to have access to this great fitness army and the content that we provide. We are targeting all our customers because this is one service which has universal, appeal and universal demand, whether you're a man, woman, whatever age bracket, you belong to. So it's available to everyone, and we are targeting everyone. It's a wide deliver. There is stuff on yoga, there is Pilates, there is self-defense for women. There are many, and the document also talks about it. There are many aspects of fitness, nutrition, diet that we bring to our customers. The way we productized it is that every day of the week there is a special topic. Also within a day, depending on the time, it's devoted to special genre, including meditation, music, etc. in the night. At any given point of time, beyond what the video content plays, you will also have 10-minute quick tips on workouts, quick tips on fitness. You can also input your weight and target to reach, drop by 20 kgs by the next X months or whatever, and see your progress. So it is, there is a lot of interactivity layer which kind of personalizes it, yeah, to what the service lends itself. So that is all dependent on looking good, being fit, yeah. So these are the guys and this team, and that team is now available to the entire customer base of Tata Sky at 59 rupees a month. And also the other thing about it is that putting modules right now, there are teams at Tata Sky who are productizing it. So it's just the beginning of the journey, and there's a long way to go. So that's really about the product or the service details.
I'll just add a little point to this. In addition to the best celebrity trainers in the country over here, we've also managed on this service to get some of the best international trainers through a strategic alliance that we have with a company called Body in Balance. They are one of Europe's largest health and wellness channels. That they've been to about 20 Kasali, Shivuham, Shifuju, he's actually India's #1 commando trainer. He's on board as well. So we've got a whole plethora of areas covered with the best in the business, like we mentioned earlier. And all of these trainers that I'm talking about train the who's who of the film community and the industry.
So that's the little gist about what the service was. You've had an opportunity to look at the teasers that we've been playing in the background. That will just give you a gist about what all will be available to subscribers sitting at home.
This is why we're here. You and I. It's been truly astounding for me.
Hi, I am Shivoham. मैं आपको बताऊंगा हेल्थ और फिटनेस के नए फंडे